Amadeus Duquesne served the Iron Hands Legion during the Unification Wars, Great Crusade, and Horus Heresy. As Lord Commander of the Stormwalkers during the Wars of Unification, Duquesne would command the 10th Legion prior to their reunion with their Primarch, Ferrus Manus, on the world of Medusa. Born within Old Albia, Amadeus, once installed within the Legion, would quickly ascend to its command. As one of the first Astartes of the 10th, Duquesne would lead his Stormwalkers during their conquest of the Afric and Pan-Pacific compliances of the regions. Masterminding the early victories of the Legion during the Great Crusade, including their iconic battle against the millions of Orc Xenos at the Battle of Rust, Duquesne would be among the most revered and respected commanders of the Iron Tenth. With the Legion's reunion with their Primarch, Ferrus Manus, Duquesne would be installed as a member of the Sorgal clan. Present during the Dropside Massacre of Istvan V, Duquesne would warn his most trusted battle brother and pupil, Shadrach Medusan, of the betrayal of the traitor legions and the death of their Primarch. Besieging his comrade to raise the storm against the War Master, Duquesne's last moments would be spent rallying the Iron Hands to seek vengeance against their betrayers. His final request to his most cherished brother, not to forget him, nor their deeds made in service to the Iron Tenth.